Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix DNS probe finished NXDOMAIN on Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Check my video description for these commands. Just to copy and paste it one by one. After finishing all these commands, just close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type control panel, click or open it. Select view network status and task. Select your connection. Select properties. Select internet protocol version 4 and select properties. Select use the following DNS server addresses and type here 8888. Alternative DNS server type 8844 and click on OK. Now just close stuff here and restart the browser and check if the problem solved or not. If not, again go to Internet Protocol version 4. Now type 111.1.10.01 and click on OK. Just close stuff here and restart the browser and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, you just need to open up Chrome and click on the three dot icon and select settings. On left side, select privacy and security. On right side, select delete browsing data and set this time range to all time and select checkmark all of these and select delete data option. After doing it, just close stuff here and reopen the Chrome and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.